Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of interesting farm animals today, including some of my favourite pigs. My tractor, Sam the Border Collie, a 3D cow puzzle, some hens and roosters. Give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. The farmer Hank and the vet Tyler. The Brahman cattle family. There's a fun ending today. See what my Texas Longhorns get up to. Some chickens in the background and my Swan with her cygnets. The red Brahman cow. The Brahman cows are the sacred breed of India and are very hardy and adaptable to a wide range of feed and climate. The Brahman cows have a dark skin which prevents their skin being affected by sunlight, and the short, thick, glossy coat helps reflect the sun's rays. They have sweat glands and are able to withstand extreme heat. Can you tell me how many cygnets the white swan is carrying on her back? This is a red Brahman bull. The ears are large and drop downwards, and the muzzle is black. They are large-bodied, with a hump on their back where their neck ends. They have a small head with a broad forehead, and are easily recognised by the excess skin on the neck, throat and underbelly. They have panoramic vision and a superior sense of smell. The red Brahman calf. The Brahman cow calves are noted for gaining weight fast. They will consistently gain more weight per day than a lot of other breeds. A Brahman cow gives milk for the first time after giving birth to a calf. This is so cute, it looks like it needs to grow into its skin. The calves are able to stand up and feed from their mother not long after birth. Sam, my border collie. They are an energetic, fun dog and were originally bred to help herd sheep. They are considered the top obedience dogs and the most intelligent of the dog breeds. Some border collies are able to recognise hundreds of words and act in response to them. They are very fit and are often seen in dog sport competitions, especially sheep herding. They have also been used as search and rescue dogs. The Hamshire Sow. This breed originated in Hampshire in the UK. This good-tempered breed is distinguished by its erect ears and a black body with a pinky white band around the middle, and it covers the front legs as well. They are bred for their meat. The sows make caring mothers. The pig's snout is its most important tool for sensing what is around them and for finding food. Oh, she can smell. I've been cooking soup today. That's what she can smell. The Hungarian pig. It's also known as mangalika or mangalitsa. It has a thick coat of curly fur or hairy fleece. It makes it look much more like a sheep than a pig. It was originally bred for its lard or fat. With their warm woolly coats, the Hungarian pig can live outdoors all year long. As the pigs age, the fat content of the meat rises. There are 3 main varieties, the only difference being the colour of their fur. Ah, you can also smell the soup too. The Texas Longhorn Bull. Texas Longhorns' horns grow outwards from the sides of their head and span up to 7 feet or more than 2 meters. The Texas Longhorn developed naturally from wild Spanish stock mixing with the free-range domestic cattle of the settlers. It eats a wide range of grasses and weeds, more than most other cattle, which does less damage to pastures. It has a natural immunity to diseases and parasites and comes in many different colours and patterns. These Longhorns are going to get up to some fun at the end of the video. The Texas Longhorn cow. They have high reproductive rates and give birth to calves yearly for up to 15 years and make very good mothers. They keep a watchful eye over their calf and will protect their young from any danger, especially dogs. Texas Longhorns are gentle cattle and are easy to handle and control if treated well. Texas Longhorn calf. Longhorn calves are very small and fawn-like in appearance. They are usually on their feet and nursing in about 10 minutes after their birth. Calves usually stay down and lie quietly for a week or 2 before actively following their mothers. In a herd, if there are several calves resting on the ground, a babysitter cow will stay with the calves watching over them while the other cows graze or drink. This is the farmer Hank. He's a really good worker and looks after the animals really well. Tyler the vet likes to check on the animals. They're all doing really well at the moment. A 3D surprise puzzle. Aha, it's a cow. 30 pieces. I'm going to make this off camera. And here it is. Cattle are herbivores. They like to eat grass. Cattle stomachs have 4 chambers which help break down the grass they eat. There are more than 1 billion in the world. Cattle are sacred in India, where there are an estimated 300 million cattle. They are farmed for a number of agricultural products, including meat and dairy products. The Vietnamese pot-bellied pig is a smaller sized pig that originated in Vietnam and is now found worldwide. They are rather plump and can vary in colour. They have poor vision but an excellent sense of smell and hearing. They like mud holes and water because they can't sweat. The pot-bellied pig is also known as the Chinese or Asian pot-bellied pig. The pot-bellied pig has tough black skin with very little hair, which makes it sensitive to the sun, and in the wild they will wallow in mud to stay cool and protect their skin. They have short erect ears and a short snout for foraging. It also has a sagging underbelly and very loose wrinkled skin. A true pot-bellied pig has a straight tail that attaches high on the rump. If the tail curls at all, this is a sign of crossbreeding. The white swan and her cygnets. A male swan is called a cock and a female swan is called a pen. Baby swans are called cygnets and stay with their mother for the first 6 months of life. Swans will hatch up to 10 eggs at a time, and eggs take between 7 and 8 weeks to hatch. The swan is one of the largest, fastest swimming and fastest flying waterfowl, and one of the longest living birds in general. The swan, which lives up to 19 years in the wild, can live up to 50 years in captivity, and it usually mates for life. A group of wild swans is known as a herd. There are over 25,000 feathers in its body. And now for some fun with the Texas Longhorns. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more fun videos. See you again soon. For more dinosaur videos, click the picture. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.